Imagine a bustling cellular post office where molecules are received, labeled, and dispatched to their rightful destinations within and outside the cell. This cellular distribution hub, known as the Golgi Apparatus or Golgi bodies, plays a crucial role in the life of a cell. In this journey through the microscopic world, we will unravel the mystery of Golgi bodies, delving into their history, intricate structure, vital functions, and why they are indispensable to the very essence of cellular life. So, let's embark on this fascinating voyage to explore the inner workings of Golgi bodies. What are Golgi bodies? Golgi bodies are like the cell's packaging and shipping center. They receive, process, and package molecules, like proteins and lipids, for delivery to their proper destinations within and outside the cell. History. They are named after an Italian biologist named Camillo Golgi, who discovered them in the late 19th century. Initially, their function was mysterious, but over time, their importance in cellular processes became clear. Structure and parts. Golgi bodies are made up of a series of flattened sacs or membranes stacked on top of each other, like a stack of pancakes. These sacs are called cisternae. They have two main sides. The cis face. This is the receiving side, where molecules enter the Golgi apparatus. The trans face. This is the shipping side, where processed molecules exit. Functions. Modification. Golgi bodies modify and refine molecules, like adding sugar chains to proteins, which is crucial for their proper function. Sorting. They sort and package these modified molecules into vesicles, small sacs, for transport to various parts of the cell or for export outside the cell. Secretion. Golgi bodies play a pivotal role in the secretion of substances such as enzymes, hormones, and antibodies. They package these substances into vesicles that fuse with the cell membrane, releasing their contents. Lysosome production. They are involved in the formation of lysosomes, which are cellular structures responsible for breaking down waste materials and cellular debris. Importance. Golgi bodies are essential for the proper functioning of cells. They ensure that molecules are processed correctly and reach their intended destinations. Without Golgi bodies, the cell's internal communication and transport system would be chaotic, hindering its ability to survive and function effectively. In conclusion, Golgi bodies, the cell's equivalent of a meticulous shipping and processing center, are pivotal in orchestrating the intricate dance of molecules within the cellular world. Their historical discovery and profound role in cellular biology have illuminated the fascinating complexity of life at the microscopic level. Thank you for tuning into Asterisk Classes, where we make learning a breeze. If you enjoyed this video and want more bite-sized knowledge, hit that subscribe button and join our learning journey. Stay curious, stay tuned, and let's keep the learning adventure going. See you in next organelle.